What's up, folks? Honey's morning update. Snapshot of the overnight here. Low is 4,200, high is 4,258, so 60-point overnight range. News right now: euro, dollar. Euro is below the 105. As I said before, below 108. A close below that should yield 103. This is happening fairly quickly. Which is interesting. Dollar index is pushing up to 104, so we're already above the COVID highs, which is very interesting. So S&P up 62, Dow up 280, and Nasdaq up 270. Apple and Amazon earnings today, so after the close for both of those, so that'll bring into Friday, which should be crazy. So more macro. I will not be here tomorrow to do this. So we're going to kind of do this now, more of a macro level here. Intraday, again, let's do that. 36 to 49, yesterday's range, right? So this was an inside candle. We've broken the inside candle up above. If we open above 36, we should see higher. Now, being up 60 points already, we're max is like 120 on the high side. So I don't know that we're going to get up to 490, the 296 to 304 area, but that would be my next. You have a naked POC here at 92, but 04, 05, like 4304 is really the top end. Again, I don't know if we'll see that today, but who knows? We could. Low side, we get below 29, and we could see new lows. Again, that 42.36 if cash opens, so we're just above it. If cash opens above that, it should be fairly bullish. Maybe optimism prior to the Amazon Apple run up. I don't know, but that's going to be a big mover for Friday. So upside, let's say Amazon Apple beat for tomorrow, we above these two levels, then the next level is the infamous 43.54, and then 43.66 level would be the next two levels that I watch, and then you'd get into the 95 area. So that's the huge yearly pivot right there is 43.95 for reference. So 43.54 is also the next big level. So, up from that, you have a valley, and then here's your next value point. So that would be the number upside to look at. Downside, I don't know. Again, the 95, 92 area should hold, although that 95 didn't hold last time. So you got the 49.36. Below that is 41.29, and then your spike February Russia low, which is 41.01, and then we get into levels that we haven't seen since May of last year. So it's tough right now because the levels on the downside are so old, they're not really holding. So it's kind of like making new highs on the inverse, where it's just kind of uncharted territory. We have an idea, but like that 95 level from the other day, like this slice through it, it didn't even hold. So what level is this? Yeah, so this 42.10, 42.14 is fairly significant too. There's a lot of volume in this area, a lot of trade time. Anyway, so that's kind of what I'm looking at. Again, watch this euro. You guys should have this on your charts if this is heading down. Although, interesting today, we should both, take note that dollar's up and this is up. So that means that this is, as I said before, is when you have a dollar up and then the equity's up, you're looking at a flight to safety. So this means that Europe's probably in trouble, and with their energy and everything going Russia with rubles, or paying gas from Russia with their own currency, which is absolutely hilarious. Anyway, so just keep an eye on that. This has been kind of like a VIX, where if this goes down, market goes down, but that's not happening today. So always notice when macro trends kind of change, or daily trends change, when things don't work. Like if this is heading down and ES is not heading down as well, then you have your correlation's no longer there. So anyway, that's it. Again, 42.36 is important for the open. 42.29 is my over-under. Above that, I'm bullish. Below that, I'm bearish. And then, I gave you the 92, 96.04, 43.54, 43.66, and then up into the 43.95. Those are my upside targets. Downside, 49, 36, 41.29, and then 41.01. I would assume they would defend the 41.01, but again, I was assuming they would fill the 95, and they didn't. So again, downside levels aren't getting real sticky. Anyway, that's it. You guys stay safe today and tomorrow, and I'll see you Monday.